Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new tutorial. Today I have this eye makeup look for you. This was inspired by my energy crystal that I have here on my desk. Her name is Citrine. She looks like this. It's a cluster, which I'm super, I love it. She's so pretty. But this is my inspo for this eye makeup look. My boyfriend gave me the idea to start making tutorials based on energy crystals, and I'm gonna start doing that. So this is the first of many. And shout out to Mel for giving me this crystal book, because this is my little Bible thing that I refer to. But basically, Citrine is a concentrator, like focus on like your work space, which is why I have Citrine on my desk. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking. If you wanna know how I created this eye makeup look, then just go ahead and keep. If you would like to know how I created this eye makeup look, then go ahead and please keep on watching.
Hello again. Today we're going to start off with some lip balm. This is Everything lip balm from NYX, and I like to put this on just to hydrate my lips really well, because for some reason they get crusty at the end. I don't know. I'm going to prime with the Smashbox primer water, put that all over my face, and I'm going to show you two palettes that I am using today. Oh wait, we have to prime first. Sorry about that. But I am going to show you two palettes that we are using today. I'm using the Colourpop Yes Please palette and the Dose of Colors Baked Browns eyeshadow palette. So you can see that's my little citrine crystal, and that's the Colourpop and Dose of Colors. So we're going to use the Baked Browns first from Dose of Colors, and I am actually going to go in with the second shade in the palette, which is called Teal Light, to set the primer down in place. Now we're going to use Deserted, and I'm going to actually use an EcoTools blending brush to do this, sweeping that back and forth into my crease area. Now we're going to dig into Cherry Wood and add that on the first half of the eye, creating a halo. And then we're going to move on to the outer corners, intensifying this. I did use about 3 to 4 layers of this, just so you are aware, and I'm connecting the crease and the outer corner so we can have a halo effect. I dug into the yellow eyeshadow in the Yes Please palette, but that didn't come through. It honestly just blended out my edges, like the the harsh lines. So I did go back into the Dose of Colors palette, and I intensified it again with the same cherry wood color with an e.l.f. precision brush. This brush is like $3, and it works really well to place eyeshadow on the outer corner and the inner corner, just intensifying it. We're going to move on to the darkest brown in this eyeshadow palette called Rock Bottom. And we're just going to intensify that outer corner and inner corner.
Let me use Twig to put this on, and then I'll put the glitter on top. I hope it comes out how I want it to, but I'm scared.
Excuse me, I didn't mention what it was, but this is the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Twig, which is a very nice metallic brown, coffee brown color. And I'm adding the NYX Bronze Glitter right on top of that so we can have a base so it can stick onto. I didn't use any like glitter primer this time because the Twig Stila glitter is pretty tacky, so I just added that in tapping motions on the Twig color. I didn't get to show what I was using. I thought I showed a clip of it, but I didn't find it anywhere. But I'm actually using the Morphe Brushes concealer in the shade Macchiato and blending that out with my Sephora mineral, what are you called? The mineral powder brush. It's in the number 45. Just blending that out.
Okay, I actually want to go wet my little sponge. This is from L'Oreal. It's super cute. It's so little, but it's super cute. I'm just gonna blend out my concealer with this. I still have some glitter. I love glitter, but it's so freaking messy. I'm just like, why did I do this? I use the foundation I've been using like all this week. This is the Elcie foundation, the Elcie Micro Silk Foundation. I've been mixing it with my Radiant Drops from Sephora, these two together. And I honestly was afraid of this. I was afraid of this like little concoction thing just because it's like, this scares me by itself, but I'm just shaking it up real quick. It just scares me just having just drops on my face. Like it freaks me out. I don't know, I feel like I'm clogging my face a lot more. If that makes any sense at all. But I honestly just put drops. I always do this. I close my palette mirror and then I'm like in need of it. But this is what I do. It looks really, really pretty. I was surprised. I'm like, let me just try it. See how it is. But I do that and then I just put these little drops on here. Oh! Fuck! That is gonna stain great. Good job, Britt. And I blend it together with my brush. And it just gives me a nice radiant finish. I mean, it might seem crazy and it might seem like a lot, but trust me, if you like a glow from within, you will love this. I mean, my sponge, I just like pounce it on. If I had my other beauty sponge, like any of the other ones, I don't have right now at the moment because they're all washed and I threw a few away. I threw a few of them away because they were stained and I ripped them open and there was like foundation there and I was like, ew. I threw them out. Set. Now I'm actually going to, should we cream contour? Nah. We're gonna set the powder. I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics Studio powder. I'm in the shade 240. Just gonna lightly set everything. I mean, you can totally add more coverage if you want to, but I'm actually gonna put some on my under eye. I'm gonna use the MAC collab with Patrick Star. Everybody has been talking about this powder and I actually like it. I'm on that bandwagon train, so if it comes back in stock or is in stock, I'm pretty sure you would like it too. On my smile lines. Of that, we're going to highlight. I always like to put my highlight on first just because it blends in with everything else afterwards. So I want to use something I haven't used in a while. Master Chrome by Maybelline. This is in the shade Molten Gold. If you have not tried this, what are you doing, ma'am? What are you doing? Like, this is fire. This is at the drugstore too. Like, Maybelline, you are amazing. Put that right on the top of the cheekbones. I don't have any fan brush at the moment because they were all washed today and I'm just using what I have here, but this gets it done. Little baby brush. This is from Bella Cosmetics. It takes a little bit more longer, but that's okay. I really like this brush because you can put it right here and it gives you like the perfect highlight brow bone for your brow bone. See, like you can literally fit it there and it looks so nice. I'm going to move on to some bronzer. And we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Saddle, which looks like this. I need a brush for this. Oh, I'm going to use my NARS Ida brush. I usually move on to mascara so I can set while I'm doing this, but I'm just going like in the wrong order today apparently. I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie. This is a Milani Berry Amore Baked Blush. I'm going to use my Makeup Forever 122 brush. Just get some. I was going to use another one from NYX, but since that one's already like discontinued, I'm not going to use it, but I'm just going to put that. Plus, oh shit, I just locked it. Close all your stuff. Alright, if you want, go for it and feel free to add more highlight. Totally up to you. If you want to be looking like a sexy, glowing disco ball. However you want. However you want. You know? Do what you like. We're gonna move on to the eyes. I feel like I'm like all over the place in this video. I'm sorry. I need a mascara. This is the closest one I found. This is the Their Real Mascara. I'm just gonna use it to, oh shit, I forgot to put eyeliner. See? Let's see. We're gonna use Colombia, of course. Where are you? I freaking love this eyeliner. It's amazing.
Alright, I am actually putting eyeshadow on the lower lash line. I didn't say what color I was using or what palette, but it's the same dose of colors, Rock Bottom and Cherry Wood together mixed, and blowing that out to my eyeliner as well.
Okay, now we're going to put on mascara, which is the They're Real, because I completely forgot. I'm going to use Blinking Beaute. I haven't used these in a really long time. These are the Samantha ones. Right? Yeah, these are the Samantha ones. I don't know if they're still available, but they're like real synthetic, and I might have to cut them because the last time I wore them, they were like poking the shenanigans out of me. We're gonna use something, whatever I have here. Okay, so since this is like white at the bottom, I'm gonna use something more lighter. Okay, I'm gonna use the Resi highlighter. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm bringing her out, but she is gorgina. Gorgina on the inner corner, just so we can have that little pizzazz. Let's use Macchiato from Time, Los Angeles. It's too orangey for this look. This is the Nude from Physicians Formula. I haven't used this on camera. I don't know how I feel about this color right now. I guess this is mixing with the other one. But this Physician Formula's liquid lipstick are so good. Okay, yeah, no, this is not happening. So this is from NYX. Obviously, if you watch my favorites video, you see that I like this color. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All the yeses.
So that is the end of this makeup tutorial. Thank you again so much for tuning in today with my craziness. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I can't wait for you to see the next video I do on this series. I'll catch you in my next video. Toodles!